Hello everybody, I'm back with another tutorial to show you how you can actually link Tomcat server with Eclipse. So for the purpose of our tutorial we are using the enterprise edition of Eclipse. It is the Oxygen.3a release. The reason we are using the enterprise edition is that the standard version of Eclipse, that is the older version that we use to develop our AWT and Swing projects, that is not actually compatible with servlets and JSP. To work on any projects related to web development, we need to use the enterprise edition. So make sure that you download the enterprise edition of Eclipse before you start working on servlets. And this is the actually it is the Oxygen.3a release, and it's a pretty old version, dates back to 2018. If you check on their official website, I'm sure you'll be able to find much newer versions, so you can just download and install that. Okay, now let us see how you can link Tomcat server with Eclipse. So in the bottom tab you see there are several tabs labeled: markers, properties, servers, data source explorer, and so on. The one that we are looking for is entitled servers. Right now it says no servers are installed because we haven't actually associated any servers with Eclipse. So the moment we click on this link, it shows a list of servers that you can actually connect to Eclipse. So we are going to select Tomcat version 9 from that list. It is under Apache. So let's scroll down until we get Tomcat 9. Okay, now you can click next. In this window we will just leave these settings at their defaults, no need to mess with them right now, and now click finished. Okay, so if this statement appears below the servers window, you can be almost certain that Tomcat 9 has been successfully connected to your Eclipse IDE. Okay, right now we will not be proceeding any further. In a next tutorial I'll show you how you can actually start and stop Tomcat from Eclipse itself while we are working on our first servlet program. Okay, so that's it for now. Have a nice day.